Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Arc. It's another love reading. Time na sa general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tingnan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life, and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Spirit guys, send me messages. Anong love connections ito, lessons in life, and guidance ang nais yung ipabatid sa amin. Mga aral at gabay sa buhay pag-ibig ang nais ninyong ipabatid sa amin. Spirit guide, send me messages. Ten of Cups, the Sun, Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Page of Swords, Three of Wands, Strength, and Two of Wands. Message dito is maybe nakastuck pa rin dyan sa isipan mo kung ano may mga pinagdaanan mo from your past relationship. Kung sabihin natin niloko ka, sinaktan ka ng taong yon, parang nakatatak pa rin dyan at hindi pa rin mawala. Parang nagkaroon ka ng trauma. Kaya siguro nahihirapan ka na makapasok sa isang panibagong relationship because natatakot ka na baka masaktan ka ulit, baka lokohin ka ulit. Still, hindi pa rin mawala sa isipan mo yung nangyaring sakit. Or feeling mo hindi ka pa rin nakakawala sa sa sakit ng nakaraan. Nakala mo hindi mo na kayang magmahal muli. Pero, ganyan naman talaga minsan kapag nagmahal ka ng gusto, tapos nasaktan ka, feeling mo, pakiramdam mo, at nasa isipan mo na, wala na, parang hindi mo na kayang magmahal ulit. But totally, it just give you strength. Kailangan lang ng lakas ng kalooban para harapin mo yung katotohanan. Kasi minsan nahihirapan kang i-accept yung nangyari. Minsan nahihirapan kang tanggapin na totally wala na talaga kayo ng person na yon na minahal mo. Nahihirapan kang i-accept that you had a failed relationship, na nahihirapan kang i-accept o tanggapin sa sarili mo na hindi na talaga kayo, hindi na siya yung nakikita mo o yung magiging kasama mo in the future. Darating din naman talaga sa'yo yung time when you totally accept the truth that wala na talaga kayo ng person na yun na minahal mo ng sobra. It will clear your mind, and that's the time for you to have healing. At may isip mo na lang to just explore, to travel, to explore. Kahit minsan namimiss mo yung taong yon, pero kung wala na talaga, you only have to plan for yourself. Magiging bright naman ang iyong future. Magkakaroon ka, very positive naman ang magiging outlook mo sa life. Kasi maybe once you accept the things that hindi na talaga pwede, you have to move forward with your life. Dito ka magfo-focus sa sarili mo, sa pagpapaunlad ng sarili mo, and you will become successful sa pagharap ng dreams mo, to chase your dreams. Ito yung successful na yan, magiging kang very stable financially. When you are working, You will be promoted. When you have a business, it will become successful. Magiging maunlad ka. And that will lead to a happy life. Etong 10 of Cups dito means hindi ka mag-end up being alone. You will have someone na makakasama mo sa iyong future na siya yung pupunan dyan sa puso mo. At you will end up having a family and very happy. Tingnan natin kung sino man yan o kung ano pa man yung mga signs tungkol sa taong yan. Yan o, 6 of Wands. Magiging successful na ang iyong susunod na relationship at mararamdaman mo rin na pakamamahalin mo tong taong to. You will love this person so much. Magkakaroon kayo ng communication ng taong to. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng online or pwedeng from a long distance or pwedeng sabihin natin na mamimit mo tong someone na to somewhere at magkakaroon kayo ng constant na communication. Oh, King of Pentacles. So, ikaw being Queen of Pentacles, siya yung someone who's very stable din. Baka mamaya, siya pa yung magiging business partner mo, no? King and Queen of Pentacles. Tapos 10 of Cups, nakaka-excite to kasi ibig sabihin yung pamumuhay ninyo sobrang unlad ninyo o magiging mayaman kayo or pareho kayong matatag na sa kabuhayan or financially stable na talaga. Kaya lalong sabihin natin na mas magiging maganda at maayos ang takbo ng iyong pamumuhay. Maganda, maunlad kayo pareho. At sa pagbuo ninyong pamilya, andyan yung so much love to each other. Death. So, ito yung magiging magandang pagbabago. Kasi kung nandun ka before, nakastuck ka sa nakaraan, doon sa pain, no, it will transform you into someone who's very strong, at hindi ka na matatakot magmahal muli kapag nakilala mo tong taong to, which you will have a very good communication. Siguro pagdating din sa negosyo, no, magkakasundo kayong dalawa. At talagang sobra maunlad. You will be wealthy. And yung person din na makikilala mo is very financially stable. Sabihin natin may kaya o mayaman. Pareho kayo. At magtutulungan palalo kayo, paunlarin ang inyong pamumuhay. And you will end up having a family, building a family together with a happy, harmonious relationship. Kaya napakaganda, no? Kaya huwag kayong matakot na magmahal muli. Pero kung nasaktan kayo, you have to accept kasi hindi ka makaka-move on when you deny sa sarili mo yung katotohanan na wala na talaga siya, na hindi na talaga pwede, na magkalayo na talaga kayo. Kapag dinideny mo yan sa sarili mo, hindi ka mag-heal, hindi mag-umpisa yung process of healing, at hindi ka makaka-move on. Pero kapag nangyari nandun yung acceptance, it will start you to heal, to move forward with your life, to focus to yourself, at habang nandun ka, nagpapaunlad ka sa sarili mo, dun mo mamimit yung someone na sabihin natin match para sa'yo. Kaya ito match nga kayo, King and Queen of Pentacles. Karmic relationship, fleeting, triggers, turmoil, resentment, lessons, letting go, and loving you. Ayan no, maaring nanggaling ka kasi sa isang karmic relationship. Kaya naman, before natatakot ka, no, i-open up ulit yung sarili mo. Dahil maaring nanggaling ka sa isang karmic relationship. But you have to let go. seduction, attraction, flirting, dating, hooking up, temptation, third-party interference. Nako, umiwas kayo sa seduction na, especially kapag may mga third-party involved dyan. The snake, competition, enemy, clever, malicious, look over your shoulder, the other woman. Mag-ingat. Naku, parang ito yung mga nakaraan mo siguro, no? Kaya sobrang takot ka eh. Before, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano naman ang magiging message para sa iyong future or angel message. Take charge and action. Take charge sa buhay mo. Huwag ka magpapatalo sa nakaraan. Huwag ka magpapatalo doon sa masakit na karanasan na yun. You have to grow and to learn from it. Romance and connection. At ito, magkakaroon ka ng romance and connection with the King of Pentacles. Or otherwise, kasi reversal ang reading, o maaring magkakaroon ka ng connection with the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.